kasi Mr. Chen, during the height of the SAP 44 issue, marami doon sa mga na biktima, mga taga Region 2. Tama ba ako, no? So, doon pa sa so aside from Cordillera, ano pa yung mga areas na ano pa yung mga IPs at anong areas yung pumapasok? Alam ko sa Region 2 marami talagang pumasok ng PNP, no? I mean, ako lang tama, pero ano pa yung ibang areas na pumapasok ka, ano? Karamihan, meron ba tayong data nun?
All over the Philippines naman, sir, meron tayo sa region na Mimaropa, in Mindanao. So, marami, sir, buong Pilipinas.
So okay, wala palang problema itong 10% sa inyo. How about NCIP? May NCIP tayo dito? Ma'am, may tanong ko sa inyo. Sandali, before I go to NCIP, PMA, what's your current percentage ng IP?
Sir, good morning. Right now, sir, wala. We can give you the data, sir. Pero right now, sir, we have a percentage. Right now, for the whole AFP, it's 3.97%, sir. As of now, across the different services, kasama din yung technical and administrative core namin. But we have a policy, sir, currently 5% ang i-allocate namin. That was triggered by yung IPRA law natin, sir. So starting 2013, we've been following that percentage in the recruitment of our, yes, sir. And there were times na sobra din yung ano, sir. Because like PMA, it's really open, sir, regardless from what region you come from, as long as you meet the requirements.
Okay, thank you. But the bill specifically states PMA and PNPA.
Yes, sir.
May data kayo sa PMA?
We'll get the exact data, sir. But for the 10%, sir, because this will affect the previous policy namin, which is 5%, it's subject for study, sir, by the armed forces. So we'll appropriately give our inputs on this 10%, sir.
Okay, please give your inputs pagkatapos ito, ha? Pag-aralan ninyo. About NCIP, ma'am, are there provisions in the bill that align with the Indigenous Peoples' Right Act or RA 8371 to ensure consistency in protecting the rights of ICCs/IPs? Do we have enough qualified ICCs, IPs to apply with the PMA and PNPA? Or do you have proposals on how we can boost the recruitment of PMA and PNPA in our ICCs, IPs? You can react, ma'am. Go ahead.
Good morning, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, and the honorable members of the committee and everyone po. For the NCIP, Your Honors, we are in full support of the proposed legislation, specifically Senate Bill numbers 1249 and 1586. The Commission deeply appreciates inviting the NCIP in this hearing and giving us the opportunity to express our support in the proposed measures seeking to establish at least 10% admission rate for members of the ICC's IPs in PNPA and PMA. These measures will give equal opportunity for members of ICC's IPs to be admitted to and render services to the country as members of the PNPA and PMA. Your Honors, upon perusal of the Senate bills, we view that the proposed measures are aligned with the Indigenous Peoples' Rights Act, and we recommend that the two bills be consolidated, Your Honors, and that we also be made part of the TWG or a committee if there should be any to be created for the drafting also of the implementing rules and regulations of the proposed measure should these bills be promulgated, Your Honors. This is to ensure that in the crafting of the IRR, that the qualifications and disqualifications as well as other requirements with respect to our ICC's IPs be duly ensured and that their rights are protected, Your Honors. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for that input. Maraming salamat. So, mukhang wala tayong problema dyan, no? Walang opposition. Any opposing positions patungkol dito? Mukhang wala, no? So, let's proceed to Magna Carta of the PNP. Akala ko nag-alisa na kayo. Isa lang yung nagpaalam, ha? Tapos lahat kayo nag-alisa na, ha? Isa lang nagpaalam. Sige. Dalawa pala, dalawa. Magna Carta of the PNP. DILG, PNP, NAPOLCOM, the proposed bill basically proposed to amend or repeal the provisions of RA 6975 relative to the PNP and RA 8551. May we know your position on this proposed measure? Do you think it is time for the PNP to have their own Magna Carta? Can we hear from Napolcom?
We will submit a position paper here, Your Honor. However, we are supportive of revisiting 6975 and 8551. Masyado na kung luma yung batas na yan, Chief. I think you're more than aware, sir, being the former Chief PNP. Marami na kailangan na reforms dyan. Making it more civilian in nature, making it more specialized. Kailangan na ho talaga nating silipin yung ibang kaparaanan para ma-address din ho natin, especially yung aspetong lumalaki ho yung population ng Pilipinas, and of course the PNP has to catch up, and yung pong mga different offices within the PNP must be able to cope up with the current changes in our population, Your Honor.
Tama. Very good. Thank you for that input. Hintayin na nga natin itong i-amin, pero nabito lang. Nabito lang yung ating...
Yun na nga po na medyo, kaya we're thankful also that we are discussing it because alam na ho nating Chief na, Your Honor, na kailangan talaga natin ng reforms in the Philippine National Police. And the National Police Commission is one with the Chief PNP, one with the police force, and one with the Senate in coming up with new legislation to address the needs of the Philippine National Police.
Thank you. About PNP. Gusto nyo, okay lang. Gusto nyo magkaroon ng Magna Carta?
Yes, sir. Thanks, sir. Actually, sir, we are amenable with the provisions of this Senate Bill 912, sir. But for this meeting, sir, I have only one suggestion, sir.
Okay.
For Section 7, sir, key positions. So I noticed, sir, that the rank of the Deputy Chief of the PNP for Operations is Police Major General in this provision, sir.
Mali ata yan.
While the rank of the chief of the staff of the PNP is Police Lieutenant General, who is the fourth in command of the PNP.
Mabuti, tinignan mo.
Yes, sir.
Oh, take note, Comsec. Take note. Thank you for that input.
For further input, sir, we will submit to the committee our inputs through the Legislative Affairs Center of the Directorate for Plans, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Salamat. Maraming salamat. So, any more for Magna Carta of the PNP? Any input? DLG, how about, you're raising your hand, ma'am. You're from,
Good morning, Your Honors.
yes, ma'am.
I'm from NCIP po.
SIP, yeah, go ahead.
Yes po. We fully support House Bill Senate Bill number 912, but we would like to suggest that the gender sensitivity training be made as gender culture sensitivity training, to include the training on IPRA or orientation on IPRA, so that the IPs can connect with the community. The AFP can connect with the community. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Can you submit that position of yours to the committee?
Yes.
Para ma-take note natin.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, go ahead. Attorney Noel Bustonera from Napolcom. Go ahead, sir. You have the floor.
Mr. Chair, pending submission of the formal position paper of the NAPOLCOM, we would just like to manifest our position to have a provision pertaining to the PNPA cadets. Basically, as it is worded right now, PNPA cadets are still not considered as government employees. So pag may nangyari po sa kanila, kahit may Magna Carta, wala po silang matatanggap kasi one of the qualifications is that PNP officer must possess a formal baccalaureate degree. So since wala pa po silang baccalaureate degree, pag may nangyari po sa kadete during training, kahit gaano po kaganda yung Magna Carta, wala pong matatanggap na benepisyo. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for that input. In fact, that issue of yours is will take in our proposed measure na veto lang ng Pangulo. Nandun na yan, kasama yan doon. Any more?
Mr. Chair,
Yeah, go ahead, sir. Go ahead, ma'am. Attorney Baraan from DPM. Yes, ma'am.
good morning, Mr. Chair, Senator JV, and to all our guests po. On the part of the DBM, we would like to manifest the following. We would like to emphasize that the benefits po for uniform personnel are different from non-uniform personnel. So, kailangan po natin i-study mabuti yung mga ibibigay po natin for non-uniform personnel. Baka maggayahan po kasi yung mga other na non-uniform na may uniform personnel din. And in the bill, may mga increase po. Increase in benefits like yung cost of living allowance, clothing. So, we would like to emphasize din po yung magiging budget impact po nito in the long run. Of course, on the retirement program po, at the moment po ongoing po yung study po natin for all uniform personnel. So, sana po ma-consider rin po na maging uniform na po for all MUPs, not just the PNP po. And finally po, we would like to take note also on the utilization of firearms license fees. Ang nakalagay po dito shall be used solely for the scholarship of dependents of the police. But in the existing policy po, pwede rin po ito for AFP, PCG, BFP, BJMP, and PNP children po. So, kung yun po ba talaga yung purpose po of the bill. And that's all po, Mr. Chair. Thank you po.
Thank you. Yes,
Your Honor.
yeah, go ahead, Commissioner
Opo,
Calvin.
page 4, line 26. Gusto ko lang mo i-flag dito na ang denomination pa rin ng general Chief Superintendent. That's one. And siguro po, if just to highlight po, Mr. Chair, naging issue po itong phraseology na to prior to me sitting as NAPOLCOM Commissioner. Nagkaroon po ng issue on promotions. Na-delay yung mga promotions, sir, ng ilang PNP generals kasi sinasabi nung nakaraang nasa NAPOLCOM na commissioner, wala naman sa batas na may mga ganitong klaseng general. Kaya na-delay yung ibang promotion ng ilang general noon. Siguro may isang taon naka-embargo yung promotional folders nung iba. So baka po to give elbow room, sir, to the PNP, baka maganda rin po na, kasi yung phraseology dito, sir, no support unit headed by a chief superintendent or higher can be created unless provided by law. Since nagsimula yung PNP noong 1991 until ngayon, nag-morph na po yung PNP at marami na kong NSUs na na-create. Yung mga cybercrime na-create na ho yan, pero wala talagang batas na na-form. In fact, general yung hepe ho niyan. Baka po may elbow room yung Chief PNP to create such national support units to be vetted by NAPOLCOM. Baka kasi mahirapan na po, Your Honor, kung lahat po ng creation ng NSUs dumaan pa po sa Congress, Your Honor. Baka po magka-issue uli sa promotions ng ating mga kapulisan.
Correct. In fact, that could have been cured doon sa vetoed bill natin.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Any more? About Magna Carta of the PNP? So let's, go ahead, ma'am. Yeah, you have the floor.
Mr. Chair,
Yes,
Senator
go ahead.
Bato, sir. I'm
Yes.
Cynthia Rosales po sa Philippine National Police. I am the
I
chief.
know you
Yes, sir.
very much.
Salamat po, sir.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Nagpunta po ako sa office niyo.
Yes.
Ako po yung chief ng mga NUP. I would like to personally manifest my statement po regarding doon sa particular section on the moral and welfare po on the non-uniform personnel. No? The 12,184